Day 6 of the Ramadan edit, and our word for today is kosong. In our world, sometimes we are taught to fear emptiness. Kita rasa takut kalau jadual kerja kita kosong. Orang akan ingat kita ni tak produktif. Ataupun kalau kita berbuka puasa dengan perut kosong, kita pun balun makan segala makanan supaya rasa berbaloi. Dan sometimes when we are alone, we tend to fill up our mind with a lot of noises so we don't feel empty. But in all reality, whether it's work or personal, sedikit ruangan ataupun kekosongan yang kita cipta sendiri tu actually membawa banyak manfaat kepada kita. Dalam konteks personal, selagi kita tak ada ruang ataupun ruangan kosong, we don't allow for someone new to come into our life, ataupun we don't allow for us to learn something new. And similarly, in the context of bekerja atau work, if we keep filling up our schedule, we will not be allocate some space ataupun some time for us to learn a new skill or learn something new at work. Jadi hari ni, apa kata kita edit ourselves, we try to allocate probably 15 to 20 minutes of masa kosong for us to learn something new. Jumpa esok.